adapter. Okay, so this is our packet which we received from Amazon. Okay, so we will unbox it. So this is our Duracell car charger with 65 watt. Here in this charger we are getting the output of 3.6 volts, 6.5 volt 3 amperes, 9 volt 3 ampere, 12 volt 3 ampere, 15 volt 3 ampere and 20 volt 2.25 ampere with PD charger. And for QC 3.0 we are getting a 5 volt 3 ampere, 9 volt 2.22 ampere and 12 volt 1.67 ampere. So let's open the box. So first we need to cut down this seal. Okay, so here in this box we are getting our product, that is our car charger. Here we can see some details are there. Okay, so some details are printed here. Let me focus it here. Okay, so this is our charger. We are getting here type C one connector and one USB connector, and so it look like this. Okay, so okay, we'll open it. So we are taking our tools. Okay, so before opening we are just removing this black cover first. Okay, this black cover was removed. Then this white color strip, LED strip, we are removing it from here like this. While removing you need to be careful, otherwise it will harm you. Okay, it's removed. Okay. Then here we have, there are two screws. We need to take these screws also. Okay, after removing this cap, the complete circuitry is look like this. Okay, so inside nothing is, we have these connectors are there, these two connectors are there and one circuitry. Okay, so in next video we will desolder this green connector and we'll see the circuitries. Okay, thank you.